Hey guys, this is Venkatesh. Hope you all are doing well. I'm super excited today to share with you all one of my favorite breakfast recipes. It's a bread omelette that I used to eat in street side back in India. So here are the ingredients that are needed for this recipes. So I have 3 eggs here. I have some cilantro and some green chilies, spring onions. I have 4 slices of bread, slightly toasted, and I've also removed the crust. So I'm going to go and turn off the skillet. And while it's getting hot, you're going to break the eggs and get it ready. I don't know about you guys, I always have trouble breaking the eggs, and then I make a mess all around. But hopefully there are no shell that goes into this, and probably many of you do this better than me. Oh, by the way, I also have some spices here. I have red chili powder to add a little bit of a spice to my omelette. I prefer it that way. And I also have salt here. So I'm going to take probably a quarter teaspoon or just a little bit more. Adjust the spice level based on your preferences and taste buds and your appetite for spice levels. The key is make sure you really beat it so that there are no lumps of yolk. So now I'm gonna do is get some cilantro in it, some green chilies, and some spring onions. And I'm going to give it one more whisk of that all together. The skillet's hot. I've already put some oil in it. Alright, so the key is to how you pour this one. So make sure you pour it in the center, and then you're gonna just spread it as much as you can. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is take these bread slices that we have, dip it in the egg, both sides. Do the same things. Alright, so let it cook for a couple of minutes and you will kind of see those eggs kind of getting cooked in the side. While this is getting cooked, I'll tell you why this is my favorite recipe. So I was born and brought up in south of India. Growing up, we always take these long trips train trips from south of India to north of India. These trips are so exciting because the train actually traverses through every state of India, starting from the southernmost tip of India. It takes usually 2.5 days to get from southern part of India to the northern tip of India. And every day in the morning when we wake up, the train would stop in a station, and they usually serve these hot bread omelets. And I usually look for those in those long journeys. I always look for those bread omelets. So since those days, then I always fell in love with this breakfast recipe. So that is the reason that I'm sharing this recipe with you all. Hopefully I can turn this without missing it. Okay, try my best. Alright, here's the key part. There you go. I think I got this. Alright, make sure you let it cook for a couple of minutes on this side as well. It's a really healthy breakfast. Usually I have it with ketchup. I think it's almost getting ready. Just give it a couple of minutes. Alright, here we go. Your bread omelette with ketchup. And enjoy the breakfast, and try this recipe and let me know how it comes out. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.